Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start a new series about HTML basic like HTML document, HTML heading and HTML paragraph, HTML link, HTML and HTML images. So let's start. HTML document. All HTML document must start with a document type declaration. Document doctype HTML. The HTML document itself begin with HTML and end with HTML/HTML. The visible part of HTML document is between body and body close body tag, body and close body. The doctype declarations the doctype declaration represents the document type and help browser to display web pages correctly. It may only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doctype declaration is not case sensitive. The doctype declaration for HTML is doctype HTML. HTML heading. HTML heading is defined with the H1 to H6 tag. H1 defines the most important heading, and H6 defines the least important heading. Example of HTML heading. Here is the H1 tag which content element. This is heading. Next, HTML paragraph. HTML paragraph are defined with the p tags. Example of HTML paragraph. HTML paragraph, we take a p tag which content element. This is a paragraph. Next, HTML link. HTML link are defined with the a tag, also known as anchor tag. Here example of HTML link. HTML link a tag which contain a harp and harp was take a link. A tag content element. This is the link. The link's destinations is specified in the harp attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. Next, HTML images. HTML images are defined with the img tags. The source file src and alternative text lt alert lt with and height are provided as attributes. Here example of image tags. Image attribute. Image tag. We take a image tag and also take a src source file and alternative text and height and width. Image tag has no closing tags. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, do support and share for next series about the HTML. Do support and click the bell icon. Thank you.